Ever have your POS system give you a headache? Well, today we're fixing those common issues.
We'll cover confusing reports, mid-sale hiccups, post-sale fixes, and even customer requests. Let's go.
So let's tackle the big one. Do your settlement reports ever seem, well, wrong?
Good news, your transactions aren't actually gone. You're likely just looking at different report views.
It all comes down to the difference between a document view and a payment view.
For reconciling individual payments, the cashier collection report is absolutely your best friend.
Okay, you're mid-sale, and bam, a selling below cost warning pops up. Now what?
First things first, your supervisor needs the right permissions and settings enabled. That's a must. The fix is a quick 3-step approval. Super simple, and you can do it right there.
All right, next up, the classic return. A customer wants to return an item and get a refund.
For this, you're going to use the Sales Refund Note. It handles both the item and payment. The process is a breeze. Create the note, find the bill, select the item, and finalize.
Oops, you finalized a bill with the wrong serial number. It happens. Here's how you fix it.
And you guessed it, you've got to have the right system settings and permissions turned on first.
The fix is easy. Find the bill in the listing, click the item, and just swap the numbers.
Okay, but what if it's the wrong payment method? Say you hit Visa instead of MasterCard.
No big deal. Just head back to the cash bill listing, find the payment, and adjust it.
Now for a really common request, a customer wants an E-Invoice for a past purchase.
How you solve this depends on one key thing: when they ask. Is it the same month?
If they ask in the same month, it's pretty simple. You just edit the original transaction.
But if it's the next month, you have to process a full return and create a new bill. As you can see, the system has built-in tools to handle all these daily hiccups.
Here's a pro tip to prevent errors. Set your defaults. It'll save you time on every sale.
Knowing these features turns that "oh no" moment into an "I got this" moment. It's all about confidence.
So, your POS can handle today's issues, but is it ready for whatever tomorrow throws at you?